Hi guys, you're looking at Glock 22 full size 40 caliber. So we're gonna build strip this, and there's the release magazine button. Press that, and now we're gonna take our slide and lock it to the rear. Alright, and then we're gonna see if there's any ammunition left in there. So it looks clear. Now we're gonna release the slide, and then we're gonna shoot it in safe direction. Guys, you have this slide lock here on both sides. So what I do is I'm gonna put my thumb right here and reach around and cock it back a little bit, and then pull down on those slide lock. You can feel it. You see it? Right there, you slide right out. Take your slide out, put the body down, and then you're gonna take the spring off. Alright, and then press it up and then pull it out. There you go. Now we're gonna put this back together. We're gonna start out with the barrel, slide it down there. And then we're gonna put our recoil spring assembly. There's a notch down there, push it down. Now we're gonna find the rails, find the groove, we will slide it up, slide it down. Voila. Alright, that's it guys.